of sleeper agents Dragovich used in '68.
Give us those names. We'll get Adler's team.
Alright, starting next mission.
Perseus erased them.
Fuck me.
Lubyanka briefing.
You're gonna find that information now. The Lubyanka building.
What? KGB headquarters? Why didn't Perseus get them there himself?
I don't know. Maybe he's operating without authorization.
I'll let Adler know. But we're gonna do this the right way, or we're not gonna do it at all.
Just got word. Belikov is back in Moscow.
You guys know the plan. Bell, you're with me. Lazar, be ready for exfil.
Are you taking him into the KGB with you? Are you crazy? Wait for Mason or Woods to return.
I don't need Mason or Woods. I need Bell. He's got the skill we need.
Are you enjoying this? You're risking the entire operation unnecessarily.
It's not unnecessary. It's calculated.
Just understand that if you botch this, we can't get those names. It's over.
I know you can do this. Hudson doesn't trust anyone he can't control.
Oh, that new and larger came in.
The Lubyanka building, KGB headquarters in Moscow. The sleeper agent records are stored in the archives 100 feet below ground in a nuclear defense command bunker.
Your only way in or out is through this high-security elevator.
We'll need proper credentials. That's where our asset Belikov comes into play. Belikov has been our source inside the KGB for nearly a decade. He'll get us in. He came through for us in Yamantau. He'll do it again.
This shit is crazy, even by his standards. You sure he's on board?
An immediate nuclear threat warrants every risk at this point. I'm sure he wouldn't disagree. Sims, get Belikov on the line.
Алло, Беликов на трубке.
Извините. Я думал, что это посольство Сингапура.
We're almost to the tunnels. Did you get access to the bunker? There's always a problem. Solve it. Not yet. I know you have this under control. We'll meet you at the basement entrance once you have the bunker key.
Comrade Belikov, you've been summoned to the conference room upstairs. Secretary Gorbachev is here from the Central Committee.
Did the general come through?
Have you ever been?
Comrade Belikov, have a seat. General Secretary Brezhnev has taken an interest in the new security development. There's a mole within the KGB. The committee wants someone from the first Chief Directorate to oversee Colonel Kravchenko's investigation. If you've not met him already, this is Imran Zakayev.
Thank you, Secretary Gorbachev. And thank you all for welcoming me with open arms. I can think of no greater tragedy than a home violated from the inside. Trust and love within a family is sacred.
Apparently. Not everyone shares your beautiful sentiments.
Comrade Belikov, As head of security, I understand you've practically exhausted yourself trying to unearth this mole. How has that gone?
I am not a patient man, Belikov, or a compassionate one.
Until the mole is found, I want security increased around the bunker. Zakayev, do you have any recommendations?
We should restrict bunker access. We also want to cultivate closer relationships with all of you. I want to know your hopes, your fears, your ambitions.
Be thorough, but we don't want any significant disruptions. And you, Belikov? Who do you think should retain bunker access during the investigation?
Comrade Belikov, my apologies. Even your bunker access has been revoked. We can't be too cautious, can we? Secretary Gorbachev, I believe it would be best if only General Charkov retains his bunker key for now.
Very well. See to it.
Worry yourself no longer, sir. I've already ordered the bunker keys collected from the men.
Comrade Belikov, we are in grave danger from the capitalists. Our collective, our very way of life is at risk.
The traitor will be caught. And he will pay a high price for his betrayal.
Belikov, you are dismissed.
I'm being watched. I need a bunker key. Now, first, I'll have to kill the cameras.
Sir.
This area is restricted. If I'm spotted
can I help
here,
you, sir?
below my cover. Now I need to hide the body. I have to get a bunker key for Adler. He'll need it to access the vault. Unfortunately, Charkov now has the only one.
Sir, what can I do for you? I'm sorry, Comrade Belikov, but Zakayev has increased security measures. You'll need authorization from the war room like anyone else. I'm sorry, I can't. Zakayev would have my head on a pike. How important is pursuing this lead to you? Ah, a Cuban cigar would really distract me. I'm sure you could find a personal stash in one of the offices. Good day, sir.
The guard won't let me in. I need to get what he asked for. Or I can take him out.
What can I do for you, Comrade Belikov? The General will be questioning a prisoner today, but should be available most of the time. Just let me know when you're ready to meet with him.
I have a chance to kill Charkov. Kravchenko's office will have the poison I need. There is Charkov.
What can I do for you, Comrade Belikov? Just let me know when you're ready to meet with him.
I have a chance to kill Charkov. Kravchenko's office will have the poison I need.
Oops. What's the password? Okay, log off. Look up here. S is... Where's S? S-R-E-N-D. Text document, please. Alright, where's S? S, oh, right there. S is number 16. R-E. R-E, come on, R-E. There, number 75. And the last D is for N-D. N-D, where are you? N-D. I don't see N-D there. 60. So number 16, 75 and 16. Let's see if that works. So we got 1, 6, 7, 5, 6, and that's it. 0. Done it. Sense of achievement there. Let's grab some poison. That's Nova 6 poison there, people. Alright, let's get out of here. You know someone's gonna come, right? Right. What are we gonna do with this poison? Let's see. I could put poison in the tea during our meeting and slip out with his bunker key. Let's go and do it then, shall we? I'm ready for the meeting. If I can just find him again. Where was it? Across the corridor. That's his room right there. Let's do it.
What can I do for you, Comrade Belikov?
I'm ready to meet with the general.
Of course. Right this way.
Let's go and poison him, shall we? One, two, three, and
go ahead and take a seat. He won't be long.
Yes.
There's no drink.
No, tell Nikita no one else trusts him either. Why do you think no one wants to play Durak with him anymore?
Thank you.
Anything else?
That's right.
How do you know which drink he's going to take?
Yes, I am a busy man. Thanks for noticing. You too, you too.
Oh,
I'll call
man.
you tomorrow. Dimitri, what's on your mind?
Let's talk about that. Amazing how somebody is going to. Do you ever think of how I'm saying?
I'd wager all I own that the motherland will last far longer
I like that.
than either one of us.
Let's not make it too bait. Let's just go there and go. How is Anna doing?
The same, mostly. Still begging me to retire early to the country. Ridiculous, isn't it?
Yeah, it's ridiculous. One more. Do you ever miss flying, man?
You were the better pilot, let's admit it. But yes, I missed that part of it. Sad to think we only fly desks now. To us, Comrade Belikov. Two old warriors still stumbling their way through the dark.
Just drink it, man. Just drink it. And good night.
Tell me, old friend, what are you really here for? Please, stop playing me for a fool, Dimitri. I know you're the mole and that it is this you're here for. What's next? Are you going to kill me for it?
I'm sorry.
Okay, now I need to head to the basement and let Adler's team in.
Buy me some time by hiding him. Oh no! How'd you get booked like that? What do I do? What do I do? Should have put him in the closet. Yeah, that's what I was supposed to do. Shit. You're so dramatic. He's gonna see me right there. Ooh, hide. Alright, now just walk normal like nothing's happened. And everything should be okay. Like normal, like normal.
How can I help you, sir?
Ludman.
Oh, we're going straight through.
Traveler's team will need uniforms to get past security. Luring 2 soldiers into the tunnel should do the trick.
Belikov here. Send a security detail to meet me in the furnace room. Immediately.
Wasn't sure you'd come through.
I don't have much choice, do I? This keycard gives you elevator access to the bunker.
What about uniforms?
Shh, sounds like they're here now. Okay, I will lead them through and distract them. You two do the rest.
Down. Take cover. Keep it clean. Uniforms are no good to us bloody.
Там, я нашел незапертую дверь. Нету никакого оправдания этой некомпетентности. У нас есть очень строгие протоколы, чтобы это предотвратить, понятно? Okay, I have to leave, but you should have everything you need. Now, if stopped, you are reporting to Commander Sobel.
Get changed. Here, our weapons and keycard are in the bag. Come on, this way. Once we're in the bunker, we're on our own.
Еще одну золотую звезду.
Товарищ, можешь отпустить нас? Ладно.
No metal detectors for us. We're going around.
Куда-то вы направляетесь. Досмотр обязателен для всех, без исключения. Вы должны пройти досмотр. Товарищ, доставьте вашу сумку сюда для досмотра.
Дайте нам пройти.
Принимайте это близко к сердцу, товарищ. У меня приказ досматривать всех, без исключения.
Товарищ, ты нужен Закаеву. Я разберусь.
Спасибо, товарищ.
Поздравите, Беликов.
По-моему, я здесь, нет?
Пойдем.
Прием посетителей отменяется до конца рабочего дня.
Take us down.
Zakhaev.
No, лица. Когда вы прибыли? Ах да, разумеется. Кто ваш командир? Я не расслышал. Вы что, с дураками не дерзите?
Elevator conversation always gets awkward. Gear up. They won't be happy to see us down here. Wait for my word.
Прежде чем Кравченко успел... Оружие на землю!
This way to the vault.
Keep moving to the vault, he says.
Прежде чем Кравченко успел...
This way to the vault.
I was reloading. Glad I didn't start again.
Got me some cover!
See who shot me there.
We need to secure our exfil. Hurry up and set the gas.
What?
Clock's ticking, Bell. Plant the gas.
Plant the gas where? Here, okay.
Good. Let's get to the vault.
We're almost to the vault.
Come on, Bell. Open the vault. Grab the intel. Watch. Don't have much time before they get through. There's the list, Bell. Copy it to a disk. Let's go! Time, Bell. Cut through. Almost through the door. Get ready. Here they come. They're locking the place down. Follow me.
Surrender. You will not get away.
This way.
Put your weapons down now and you will not be killed. Escape is
This might be a way out.
You are surrounded. We have your
They
friend.
got Belikov. Time for Plan B, Bell. Activate the gas.
Drop your weapons and surrender or he dies.
When we move, get a mask on Belikov. I'll cover you. Come on. Thank you, my friends. What's the situation up top? They are on full alert, knocking the building down. We'll have to fight our way out. We're gonna need some heavier gear. I know just the place, my friend. There are heavy weapons by the elevator. What they do? Reinforcements, they right. Helmets, LMGs, and explosives. Gear up, Bell. Let's get up top.
Lazar, meet us in the southwest courtyard in 5 minutes. Belikov is hitching a ride.
Plenty of room in the backseat.
Once we get off the elevator, just keep moving towards the courtyard. Get the charge ready, Bell. Let's go, Bell.
It's about time.